Continuous, expository. Social networking website. A large number of Internet users have joined social networking websites. A social network service is an online service, platform, or site that focuses on building and reflecting of social networks or social relations among people. For example is for those who wants to share interests or activities. A social network service essentially consists of a representation of each user which known often as a profile, his or her social links, and a variety of additional services. Most social network services are web-based and provide means for users to interact over the Internet, such as email and instant messaging. Online community services are sometimes considered as a social network service. In a broader sense, social network service usually means an individual-centered service, whereas online community services are group-centered. Social networking sites allow users to share ideas, activities, events, and interests within their individual networks. In the last 5 years, they have been growing up more and more popular. This increase in their popularity has led to a large number of members. One of the many reasons why Yahoo, MySpace, and Facebook social networking websites have increased in popularity is due to the fact that they cover a wide variety of different topics, issues and interest. They do not just focus on one particular group of individuals or one particular issue. Their policy is to invite as many types of Internet users to join as possible. By this, it gives members a wide selection of online friends to choose from. If you are looking to join a social networking website that is more focused on creating friendships or partnerships between Internet users preferable with the same interests, then you will want to focus on social networking websites. They have a particular focus. The prevalent websites focus on important issues, topics, and hobbies, such as pet owners, religion, travel, and others. So before you join, think of an issue you are interested in and sign up for the website that focuses on that issue. What really sets them apart from other websites? What is so special about them? These are questions which have been asked by many who show interest in joining. Primarily, it is the community. As mentioned, such social networking sites tend to focus on a particular topic, issue, or hobby. This means that if you are a keen traveler and you would like to speak to other keen travelers, you will want to join a traveler's networking sites. The difference between these social networking sites and traditional ones is that you will automatically be paired with hundreds, if not thousands, of other Internet users who share the same interests, views, or beliefs as you. This is a big bonus to the members. Another benefit to joining the social networking website is that you are, in a way, safer than those who are members of other networks. Most of them require activation before joining the site. Before activation can occur, many users are required to state their reasons for wanting to join the network, or they may be required to fill out a small questionnaire pertaining to determine whether or not they have a genuine interest in the topic focused on by the network in question. By pairing you with a group of individuals who share the same beliefs, views, and interests as you do is advantageous to members. It means that you do not have to spend hours researching a person or speaking to them just to learn what they are or are not interested in. Therefore, this enables you to jump right in and start making friends, almost as soon as you are granted access to the site that you have chosen. This service gives the social networking websites a great edge over other websites. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.